Hi crocheters, and welcome to a comprehensive guide on crocheting items to sell for quick profits. Whether you are a seasoned crochet enthusiast or just starting, this video will provide you with 10 lucrative categories of crochet items that are in high demand, helping you turn your passion into a profitable adventure. So without further ado, let's get into the video. For the first category, we have crochet home decor. Crocheted home decor items are not just functional, they add a touch of warmth and personality to any space. From intricate afghans and cozy throw pillows to elegant table runners and captivating wall hangings, there is a vast market for handmade crochet pieces in the home decor niche. Buyers often seek unique, customizable items that reflect their style and preferences, making crochet an ideal medium for creating personalized decor pieces. Now, the next category of items that you can crochet and sell is fashion accessories. Fashion accessories are a staple in everyone's wardrobe, and crocheted accessories offer a unique charm that sets them apart. Scarves, hats, gloves, and headbands are not just practical, they are fashion items that can elevate any outfit. By experimenting with different yarn textures, colors, and stitch patterns, you can create trendy accessories that appeal to a wide range of customers, from fashion-forward trendsetters to those seeking classic, timeless pieces. Moving on to the next category, we have baby and kids items. Crochet baby and kids items are cherished for their durability, softness, and adorable designs. Parents and gift buyers often prefer handmade blankets, stuffed animals, hats, and booties for their little ones. Customizing designs with playful motifs, colorful yarns, and safe materials ensures that each piece meets safety standards while delighting both children and their caregivers. The sentimental value of handmade crochet items makes them popular gifts for baby showers, birthdays, and special occasions. Now moving on to category 4, we have bags and purses. Handmade bags and purses have a unique appeal that mass-produced items cannot replicate. Crocheted tote bags, market bags, clutches, and backpacks are not just functional, they are wearable art pieces. By focusing on quality craftsmanship, durable materials, and trendy designs, you can attract fashion-conscious buyers looking for a one-of-a-kind accessory. Customization options such as adding pockets, embellishments, and adjustable straps can further enhance the appeal of your crochet bags. Now moving on to the next category, which is the pet accessories. Pet owners love pampering their furry friends, and crocheted pet accessories offer a cozy and stylish way to do so. From dog sweaters and cat beds to toys and accessories, there is a wide range of products you can create for pets. Custom sizing, washable materials, and pet-friendly designs ensure that each item meets the comfort and safety needs of pets, while reflecting their own owner's unique style preferences. Targeting pet-related events such as pet expos and adoption fairs can help you reach a niche market of pet enthusiasts. Now moving on to the category 6, we have seasonal and holiday items. Seasonal and holiday themed crochet items are perennial favorites among buyers, making them ideal for boosting sales during specific times of the year. Whether it's crocheted Christmas ornaments, Easter decorations, Halloween costumes, or Thanksgiving table runners, these items add a festive touch to any occasion. Creating limited editions designs, offering customization options, and marketing them ahead of each holiday season can significantly increase your sales and customer base. Now moving on to the next category, which is the kitchen and dining crochet items. Crochet kitchen and dining essentials combine practically with aesthetic appeal, making them sought-after items for home decor enthusiasts. Coasters, placemats, dishcloths, and pot holders not only protect surfaces and aid in food preparation, but also add a touch of handmade charm to dining spaces. Experimenting with eco-friendly yarns, vibrant colors, and intricate patterns can help you create unique sets that appeal to customers looking for functional yet stylish accessories. Now moving on to the next category, which is the tech accessories. Tech-savvy consumers appreciate handmade tech accessories that reflect their personality and style. Crocheted phone cases, laptops, and earbud holders not only offer protection for electronic devices, but also showcase the artistry of crochet. Incorporating tech-friendly materials such as soft linings and durable closures, ensuring that your accessories are both fashionable and functional. Creating custom designs based on popular device models and collaborating with tech influencers can help you reach a wider audience in the digital age. Now moving on to the 9th category, which is the category for jewelries and accessories. Handcrafted crochet jewelry is a unique way to accessorize and express individuality. Earrings, bracelets, necklaces, and hair accessories made from quality yarn can complement any outfit and appeal to fashion-conscious buyers. Offering customizable options such as bead embellishments, adjustable sizes, and personalized designs adds value and exclusivity to your jewelry line. Collaborating with fashion bloggers, showcasing your designs on social media, and participating in local craft fairs can help you attract jewelry enthusiasts and expand your customer base. Now, last but not the least, we have the category of amigurumi and novelty. Amigurumi and novelty items are whimsical creations that appeal to collectors, gift buyers, and anyone seeking unique decor pieces. From adorable stuffed animals and keychains to quirky household items and seasoned novelties, there's endless creative potential in this category. Experimenting with different yarn textures, creating themed collections, and offering customization options can make your amigurumi and novelty items stand out in a crowded market. Leveraging online platforms such as Etsy and Instagram can help you reach a global audience of novelty item enthusiasts and build a loyal customer following. Now, by mastering these 10 categories of crochet items, you can diversify your product offerings, you can attract a broader customer base, and customize your earning potential as a crochet entrepreneur. Whether you're creating items for local craft fairs, online marketplaces, or your own e-commerce store, the key is to combine creativity, quality craftsmanship, and effective marketing strategies to succeed in the competitive world of handmade goods. And now we've come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crochet tips, tutorials, and business insights. Happy crocheting and happy selling. Bye guys, and I'll see you in my next video.